Welcome to Ragan Training. The following clip is an excerpt from a full course available exclusively to Ragan Training subscribers. After you've identified who influences decisions, you can then anticipate where things will break down, which we'll get into more in the next section. Every structure has predictable friction points, and strong communicators plan for those instead of reacting to them. So centralized structures bottleneck at approval. They have slower turnaround times. Matrix structures have conflicting priorities and, let's face it, too many stakeholders. Decentralized systems have inconsistent messaging and often duplication of work. But strategic communicators anticipate all of this and plan around the friction. Once you can see the friction, you can start to position yourself differently. Instead of waiting for direction, strong communicators step into the gaps, clarifying, connecting, and keeping the work moving. This means centralizing yourself by connecting teams to information, to decisions, and translating work across functions, even if your formal structure is not centralized.